Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently we hosted a doodling art workshop in an MNC in Gurgaon. It was a very fun, peaceful and a very therapeutic session. So let's look into it. So it started with a normal discussion of what doodling is, how doodling and meditation are interrelated, how it helps in de-stressing our mind from any stress. And it was actually very nice to see everyone being engaging there and de-stressing their self by making different patterns in the paper. So, making different patterns was actually a part of our activity, which we named as a warm up session. So, in warm up session, everyone has released their stress on the paper by making different patterns, and it is very nice to see their worksheets. After this session, assuming that their mind were relaxed in a certain way, I gave them the information about some fillers which they were going to use in their final artwork if they wish so.
Okay, and some flowers also in any shape depends upon our imagination how we are taking. Minimalistic fillers are like hearts, hashtags, at the rates you can use. Okay.
After this,
So
showing
our
them the
today's
actual
theme was
references of my own
healthy
artwork which
fitness.
I have
So for
made
that I have
so that they can
these
get
two videos
references and can make their own
which you
artwork
can
with their
refer. This
own
is for boys
additional
and only this is for girls.
imaginations.
That is why it's colorful. So it's a hypothetical thought.
It was super nice to see each and everyone engaging themselves in that so much peaceful and quiet environment and putting up their thoughts and imagination on that paper. It was so nice to see everyone's artwork. Each artwork was perfect in their own sense. So, doodling should not look perfect, it should look like their own thoughts, and everyone's creation was looking like that, which made me happy very much. And most importantly, it should de stress their mind from any kind of stress. And this is how we get our best doodling session. And we had our review session. Basically, it was being a grateful session.
Grateful about everything, about life in general, about work, about people I meet, my friends, family, everything.
Next, you can nominate any one of us.
Anything for me. I'm grateful that I got to doodle today at work. Yeah.
I'm grateful for this movie.
Put a lot of stress.
I'm grateful because I think I relived my childhood again because I used to draw the same painting when I was in lessons. Not to make this part.
Okay, I'm grateful about football. It keeps me occupied and it's fun to watch it. Yeah.
So I'm grateful for this session. Why? Because like usually during our office time we don't get so much time, like 1 hour or half an hour, to focus on something very creative. So I'm grateful to do this because yeah, it helped me for this 1 hour to focus on whatever I'm doing, not the work, just the creative or anything, whatever we are doing currently. So yeah, thank you for this.
I'm grateful for everything which I had as of now, and apart from that, like especially for this session, like from this I learned a lot, and especially I can say to de-stress my mind and how I can release stress and all. So yeah, thank you.
I'm grateful for this session.
Just for the session, there are so many things to be grateful.
Yeah, there are many. I'm grateful for my job. I'm grateful for the fact that very few people love what they do. So I am one of those few people. And yeah, I'm grateful for a lot of things. So I'm just mentioning a few.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm grateful that I have got chance to express my views, what's going on in my mind. So I'm grateful for everything right now, but especially I'm grateful for this job which conducted this session, and I'm able to express my thoughts very calmly. So, thank you.
I'm grateful to the legacy that my parents gave me, and I'm passing down to my son.
Very nice.
I'm really grateful for everything what I get in this organization in my life, and definitely for today's station is kind of nostalgia. I relive again my childhood, my school days, kind of things. It's
On the paper.
I'm happy that I'm able to put something on the paper. Otherwise, it would be blank like this. Thank you for the session.
Yeah, then it was really great because as in it's been long. As in I've doodled, or I'm not a great artist at that, but still, it's quite engaging to go back and then like what we used to draw during, especially.
I loved your angry bird. सबको दिखाओ आपने क्या किया है. It's really amazing.
And then that was just like a party like Friday theme, and
We used to play it on that.
and it's based on that the national drawing of India, like the mountain and the river, and what everyone used to draw. So it's a modern take on that. They're sitting by the lake, having at a campsite, and just enjoying their day. And yeah, that's it.
And
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you everyone for joining.
thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
You can keep your artworks with you so that you can remember any time of the day you get some time